these are the green bell peppers, and we put them inside these buckets. And the way we cut them is now that the bucket's full, usually what we do is we grab them. We put them inside the bucket. We check for quality. The smaller ones or the crooked ones, we usually throw them out, and we try to get the biggest ones and the best quality as much as we can in each case. The workers, they're cutting in buckets. They put it into buckets. Once it's full, they bring the buckets and dump them in the cases. And my job is to check the quality and make sure that each case has the appropriate weight for the bell peppers. I check for bad peppers, small peppers, and I just throw them out. Once they're full, I close them and I stack them up. I stack them up into rows.